Hi, I'm Rod from EB Power. We've got a new machine here today, so we thought we'd make a little video of it just for your information. It's an interesting customer project. We've got this DHX machine's Hawk 40 motor, and that's connected up to our normal load motor. So we're just testing on the bench. We've just configured this motor from scratch, from just the data. Now people think that you just kind of, with one of these PMAC motors, you just kind of bolt the motor onto the controller and turn the throttle and away you go. It just does not work like that. So there's a whole bunch of things that you have to configure in a controller to make the motor even turn, for starters. So we've got the DVT up here. So this is one of our BorgWarner Gen4 controllers here, and we've just finished configuring it, so we're all pleased with ourselves. So we've got the DVT going here, and we were in pre-operational, so we're just going to put it into operational. Click, you hear the contactor pull in, and it's for a motorbike. So we've got this fancy domino throttle, customer throttle, and that allows us to put on, bring forward, so we can give it a bit of juice. It's quite a snappy motor. It's got pretty good response. And I think for its size, it's quite energy dense. You know, it's only a little motor, but it's liquid cooled. So yeah, we just run through a suite of tests with it. After we've finished configuring it, you know, we check that the brake pot's working, so we can use our load motor here, which has a different set of controls. So we can use our load motor, which is on at the minute. We can give it a little bit of throttle from the load motor. And I'll apply a little bit of brake here. So we're just checking that the brake's working, basically. So that's all good. We can put it into reverse. Now reverse is pretty sexy if you've got a motorbike. Not many Harley Davidsons can do that. We got reverse. So if we want to, we can make reverse go really slowly, so you're not going to fly across the road and into the opposite gutter. And we've got drive select, which basically just halves the power to the motor. So if you've got somebody who you don't want to go flogging your motorbike, they can put it in. You can put it into valet mode. So yeah, we go through a suite of tests here, and there's lots of stuff to set up in here. Like, and this is part of our configuration process. We go through every single one of these parameters, and there's about probably 30 of them on the screen, and probably another 30 besides. And each one of those, when you open it up, it's got its own little library of things that you can do in there within the setting up the throttle, and when you're setting up the brake, things as simple as the contactor. You can set up the voltages to the contactor. So yeah, it's just an example of what we do here.